Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add your company in Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Now click on the pencil icon next to your name. Scroll down to About section. Click on the company field. Enter the name of your company. In the title field, enter your designation in the company. In the About Me field, enter a short description about you. Click Save. That's it, changes has been saved. This is how you can add your company in Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.